Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Series 10 for running. First, ensure your watch is updated to the latest software. Open the workout app and select Outdoor Run or Indoor Run. Before starting, customize your metrics by tapping the three dots, then Workout Views. You can display up to 5 metrics per screen, such as distance, pace, heart rate, and elapsed time, making your run data easily accessible for quick glances during your workout. While running, your Apple Watch Series 10 provides real-time data. Swipe left or right to view different metric screens you've customized. You can set pace alerts to notify you if you're above or below your target, and monitor your heart rate across 5 distinct zones to stay within your desired intensity. To pause, simply press the digital crown and side buttons simultaneously for about 1 second, then press again to resume your activity. After your run, your Apple Watch Series 10 automatically syncs data to the fitness app on your iPhone. Here, you can delve into comprehensive summaries, including your route map, average pace, total distance, and calories burned. Advanced metrics like running power, ground contact time, and vertical oscillation are also available, offering deeper insights into your form and efficiency. This data helps you track progress over weeks and months, allowing for informed adjustments to your training plan. The Apple Watch Series 10 offers several advanced features for runners. You can create custom workouts with specific intervals and recovery periods directly on your watch, perhaps a 30-minute tempo run followed by 5 minutes of walking. For trail runners, the Compass app provides precise navigation, and the Backtrack feature helps you retrace your steps over distances up to 25 kilometers. Additionally, many popular third-party running apps integrate seamlessly, enhancing your training experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.